Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing Elizabeth Arden Visible Difference Special Moisture Formula for Body Care Body Lotion. We will be giving you insights on how the product looks. So sit back, relax, grab a popcorn and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Elizabeth Arden Visible Difference Special Moisture Formula for Body Care comes in a 300 ml bottle. It is a perfectly blended lotion that effectively moisturizes your skin intensely. It also helps to reduce dryness and provide all-day moisture protection. It is an effective body lotion that gives the skin a deep moisture. This delicious cream gives a soft and more supple skin after a period of only approximately 14 days. And due to the rich formula, dryness will be reduced. It is quickly absorbed into the skin without leaving the skin sticky or greasy. It comes in a handy pump bottle so you can easily use the cream on the whole body after bathing. As you can see, Elizabeth Arden Visible Difference Special Moisture Body Care Lotion smells really nice and is not thick as well. The ingredients contained in the product, as seen, have no side effect. If you want to buy the product in bulk, do make sure to contact Rubit Store. A lot of people love this product. It gives a lot of moisture on the skin. They love the fact that it's light in texture and gives intense hydration. This product is made with your skin in mind. Whatever your skincare concerns are, whether dryness, fine lines or sensitive skin, it will blend into your skin and make you feel comfortable. This luxurious lotion is no thick and can easily penetrate the skin, helping to reduce dryness and provide all-day moisture protection. Leaves skin silky smooth.